Hello everyone, today we will build together broadcasting application for smart glasses. In broadcasting application we will broadcast transcriptions. So you're watching someone has speaking in conference. Basically when they speak, their transcriptions directly comes to your smart glasses if you join their broadcast and if they are broadcasting as well. So you don't need to be close to them. It is just their microphone, their transcriptions, and they are like broadcasting that. And we will test it with my two smart glasses, and I hope you will test and give me a feedback. We are opening Mentra console and we are filling out this form. After creating a new app, we will fill description, name, and onboarding steps, and we need to fill the logo, and I need to generate logo for this. When we save, it will give us some environment. And I use GitHub Copilot for this. First I create a spec file. I define specs and requirements, and then I continue development, and I review the code of AI, how it is like coding. I'm checking the code is correct or not. YAML. So after I pushed my project to GitHub, I log in with GitHub and I bind my GitHub. I can see my project in here, and I will bind it, and then it will ask me some environment files. I will fill them up. In render YAML that we can set it like that. It can be a Docker application. You can push to deployment anything like Docker with Docker. We are giving a name, and then we are filling up the environments that we need, a Mentra API key that we get after creating a new application. We are filling package name, and we will get it. We fill the API key, and then we start the deployment. Basically, it will run our application after pulling from GitHub, and we will see the logs in here. When it is finished, it will give us the deployment. After finishing the deployment, we can see our URL, and we can use it in Mentra application. After we install the application, we can see in here active in foreground. We can just broadcast or listen in here. There's two tabs. Go live when we click, and we can see how many people are like listening us, and we can see our, and then we can see that when we listen, messages coming in here. I just show you how you can go live or join a session and see in real time in WebView or in the glasses. One person is wearing glasses, and as a broadcaster, others are as a listener. They can see what he is or she is speaking. In this video, like, we just see that how you can create a new application with Mentra, and how you can deploy it and how you can use it. I will share the code. I released the code as open source. You can contribute, you can try, you can give feedback to me. Thanks for watching.